The piercing sounds fill my
Only John will come up with an idea like that. You're in the cupboard, you've got to take a shot.
The goal is to keep me from falling.
That's really good.
But there's nothing greater than the rush. Andy, sit down.
I must have missed that bit.
And in this world of loneliness, I see your face. Yet everyone around me thinks that I'm going